Lots of West Jackson families say they have another reason to be thankful after a tornado devastated the area this morning.
12 News' Kayla Thompson spoke to families about the storm and what they say happened.
Families are starting to pick up the pieces after a tornado hit the area.
We were in the bed and the house was just shaking, rocking side to side.
Francesca Hamilton was home when the roof collapsed and says she's just grateful to be alive.
Thank God we're safe and we can replace everything else.
Tommy Hathorn was sitting in the living room and explains what the moment was like.
Like a freight train coming through, heard a little noise, and the next you know, it was kind of like a disaster as far as being in the house.
And here on Gay Court, you can see just how significant this damage is to this home and these cars. On Queen Christina Lane, a woman shares the moment her home of nearly 40 years was damaged.
Something just hit me and just knocked me down on the floor, and I just told him, just sit down, till something passed. And all we saw was inside the roof was coming down in the kitchen and in the living room. So I just panicked, because I thank God we made it out. It could have been another way.
Families say they are okay, and this reminds them that Thanksgiving isn't about the food on the table. In Jackson, Kayla Thompson, 12 News.